The FTS Financial Statement Analysis module is an interactive and hands-on way to teach and learn financial statement analysis. Some of its key features are listed here. You learn what information is in financial statements, how that information is used to construct ratios and other performance measures when evaluating a company, and then how to compare companies either across companies or over time, and to interpret these ratios to come up essentially with a fundamental analysis of a company. With the software, you work with actual company filings. It's updated daily. And once you have mastered some of our examples, you can apply your knowledge and study any of these companies as kind of a normal analytical tool. It's aimed at two audiences. Self-study by individuals who are interested in learning how to do this by themselves, and also for instructors for use in their courses. Essentially, any course that requires students to analyze and extract information from a company's financial statements would be a suitable course where you could use this as a module, or in fact, people have designed courses around modules similar to this one. It operates in two modes. There's a self-study or self-assessment mode. There you get a step-by-step guidance on how to take information from financial statements, put it into a form that lets you measure a company's performance. And an instructor, if they're using it in a course, can create a similar data set to distribute to students. Essentially, these serve as worked examples. Once you have figured out how the basic constructions and analysis works, you can use the software just as a normal analytical tool and work through analyze any company that you would like. For instructors, we have some additional resources. There's a grading capability and a test bank that you can request from us. And in one of the videos focuses precisely on that topic. So the remainder of this video is about getting started, just essentially an overview and how to use it. The second video goes into detail on the self-assessment capability. Okay, when you launch the module, you get a screen like this. It has an automatic update feature in it, so you can download and run the latest version. And when you do, it comes in with a login screen. People who subscribe to the financial trading system license, so universities that subscribe to it, they access it through the system manager, and they don't have to go through the this login screen. So let me log in, and then you will see what the main screen looks like. And let me resize it so it fits into the display system. The conceptual framework, if you like, is summarized over here. You'll see that we have 5 basic topics dealing with profitability, operations, risk, earnings quality, and price ratios. And within each, you will have further subtopics. So we analyze profitability for looking at it from 3 different points of view: margins, returns, and growth. And within margins, there are subtopics. Within returns, there are subtopics, and so on. You can find a description of all of this online. The website is accessed through the software, but you can also go to fsamodule.com and read all about it. Okay, so these are the topics. Up on top here are the companies, and you will see a drop down of over 4,000 companies that are in our day that we cover all the filings of. What we did is we took the approximately 3,000 largest companies and then all of their nearest competitors, some of which were smaller companies, and ended up with approximately 4,000 to 4,200 companies in whose filings we update every single day, 10Ks, 10Qs, and so on. And you'll be able to see more of that in just a second. So how does it work? Well, let me take an example. And I'll take one that does not require a long time to do, and that's fundamental and sustainable growth. It illustrates some of the key features of the software and how it works. And then let me pick a company, and I'm going to pick Coca-Cola, whose ticker symbol is KO. The only reason for that is that our example data set is based on Coca-Cola, and it's also part of the self-assessment data set, and so going through it just keeps everything together. So I'll search for Coca-Cola, and when I select Coca-Cola over here, all of the Coca-Cola filings that we have access to come in over here. These filings started, these are all interactive data filings, so we only collect data from when the SEC's interactive filing requirements were started. So you can see that the earliest one we have is the 2010 10K, so that will have information about 2009 and 2008 and so on. So there's already 4 years of data, and as we move forward, obviously it'll be a longer and longer series, and you can see we have all the 10Ks and 10Qs. So to do the